Wanna go for a ride? If I just press this button, we have liftoff in 5, 4...
Hey, son! Where are you headed?
Dad, I'm just going out for a ride.
Great! Drop me off at the grocery store, will
Whoa!
you?
Woohoo! I haven't figured out how to stop it when I press the launch. I don't know how to slow it down yet. Hang on!
No problem, son. A little G-force doesn't scare me. Whoa! Thanks, Max. Okay, there's the grocery store down there. Want to pull over for your father?
Okay.
Now just ease up and land it slowly. Whoa! Hey, I can see our house.
Bye, Dad.